Hello everyone, this is Eric at RC Monster Garage. So today I just want to show you a vehicle that's already out for a while, and we just brought one just to show you guys because I'm gonna do a following video comparing it to another vehicle that just came out. So this thing, without any further ado, for people that don't know it, this is the Team Losi Tenacity Desert Buggy Pro. The difference between the Pro and the original Tenacity was that they changed a lot of parts into aluminum, such as the aluminum frame, the aluminum shock, and other upgrades that were not available in the previous version, and a lot of people have the frame broke on them. This vehicle actually equipped also with kind of LED lights right there, and actually they did a small sway bar that's running over here that's kind of hard to see. And it's kind of in a 50 miles an hour category with a 3-cell LiPo, of course, and again, battery and a charger, kind of not included in those vehicles, so you have to take it in consideration. Let's look around, look inside, and talk about what we got. But before we do that, don't forget, like, subscribe, and share, and hit the bell icon so you can see notification for the next videos that we do and for some of the giveaways. Now, let's start looking what's going on here. To start with those wheels, those are very nice wheels for the buggy. They're pretty soft, so if you want to do a little bit rock crawling with this, they're a little bit small, but it will still work. Those are with the regular X, so they have like the 8mm nut over here. It's actually pretty cool still, it's working good. The thread on this is only 4, but the nut outside it's an 8mm tool. That's why I call it 8mm. Now, this one is the Fox edition. Of course, you can see it. It's really cool. And on the box itself, it's showing the Lucas. But so you go and pick it up from the store. You need to look kind of on the side of the box right there to see which one is marked V on, if it's this one or that one. It's kind of something tricky that you need to learn. But this shop should help you. Now, when you open it up, okay, that's it. It's kind of hinged, so it's going all the way back, but there is a wire here for your LED light, so you have to make sure it stays. You can of course see that you have over here like a roll cage, that this is removable, and you can actually put anybody that you want on this. It's not a big deal. Of course, this one is a 3S, so it's going to be IC5 or EC5. It's the same thing. The IC5 just have inside the extra wire to give you battery monitoring for telemetry. You have over here your 120 ESC. It's actually pretty good with the 605, the S605 steering servo. And of course, you have over here your brushless motor, that it's again 2S 3S brushless motor, and it's going to develop 50 miles an hour. And the receiver is here. It's kind of splash proof. It's not really in a box, so you probably want to do something about it if you're going to run it in water. One of the idea that I can give you guys, that please adopt it, is you can remove the receiver and put it inside of a small Ziploc bags, put a rubber band around it, and then strap it back, and then your car will be completely waterproof. Now, when you look all around, you can see that the battery here, it's have over here kind of a hinge, so when you want to put your battery, this will lift up, but at the same time it's gonna kind of give you a limit for how tall of a battery you can use. So if you want to use, for example, a 5200 milliamp, it will fit here perfectly, but a 7000 will never fit over here. So you're probably going to want to do something about this and remove it, and actually put something like a Velcro straps or something that will work better, or probably there's an extension in the box for this. If not, it's a problem. I haven't looked yet. Now, when you look at the shock towers, this is very thick aluminum shock towers. It's actually really nicely anodized, and then you have like coil-over adjustable shocks over here that they are actually aluminum, not plastic, that make it a little bit rigid. And then you have a small kind of mini bumper over there. Those things kind of useless. So always, like on a buggy, if you can get like a bigger T bumper, I highly recommend to do that. It will save you a lot of money on parts. When you look inside, the top support over here, it's plastic. it's still gonna be okay, but I rather to see those parts made out of aluminum or carbon fiber, just so it's gonna be stronger. And of course, one thing that you guys know that I really hate is this. Listen to this. This is a lot of play. Look at the pin right there where my finger is. Look how much it's moving. And the same on the rear. So those, usually what you do, you just take your motor center differential out, you put over there a little bit fuel tube in front, back, and then it gets tighter and it's not moving. Then you have your sway bar here, right there. It's going over through, inside and out to the other side. And overall, this is a great vehicle. And price point for this thing is about $425. And of course, you have here the two drivers that they put really cool details about them. It's say Horizon on the kind of safety belts, and like the visor on the driver and everything. So if you want something that you can actually go crazy with, go fast, and later, a lot of people don't know it, those cars come so fast to go on dirt. If you put like street wheels and tires on those go really fast. So it's like ridiculously fast. And the platform actually have enough place to even put a bigger motor in it. Don't forget, RC is a hobby. You make it your own. You put whatever you want in it to make it better for you, so you can change it. So it's not what came in the box, need to continue forever. This was the kind of, let's wrap it up, the quick review and show of this vehicle. Very nice shape. I really like all those angles that they're doing on those vehicles. It's really cool. Don't forget, like, subscribe and share. Hit the bell icon over there, and I'm gonna make another video comparing this vehicle with the laser nut. So press the bell icon so you can see it. Write a comment below if you like it, if I missed something, if you didn't like anything. Of course, a lot of people don't like a lot of stuff that I'm doing, but I don't care. I do it for you guys, the people that do cares about it and do want to learn. We started a new videos about how to airbrush and how to do graphics on your car, so please stay tuned so you can learn. If you have any question, write in the comment below. If you want to see a specific vehicle or specific upgrade, write it on the comment below. This is Eric at RC Monster Garage. See you on my next video. Bye.